In a small village nestled among lush green fields, there lived a woman named Amina. She was known for her unwavering faith and strong connection with Allah. Amina's life took an unexpected turn when her husband, the sole breadwinner of the family, suddenly passed away, leaving her with 3 young children to care for. As the days turned into months, Amina found herself facing immense challenges. The weight of financial responsibilities and the grief of losing her beloved husband weighed heavily on her shoulders. There were days when she wondered how she would provide for her children and make ends meet. But Amina never lost faith. She turned to Allah in prayer, pouring out her worries and seeking His guidance. She found solace in the words of the Quran, knowing that Allah is the provider and sustainer of all. With trust in Allah, Amina began to take small steps towards rebuilding her life. She utilized her skills in crafting and started selling handmade goods in the local market. Although the income was modest, it helped put food on the table and provide for her children's basic needs. As word spread about Amina's talents, more people started appreciating her craftsmanship. Orders began pouring in, and her small business began to flourish. Amina's faith and hard work paid off, and she experienced the blessings of Allah's provisions. Through her struggles, Amina became an inspiration to those around her. People admired her unwavering faith, resilience, and determination. Her story touched the hearts of others going through their own hardships, reminding them to trust in Allah's plan and seek His help. As the years went by, Amina's business continued to thrive. She expanded her product range and even employed a few members of the community, providing opportunities for others to support their families. Amina's success was a testament to her unyielding faith and the countless blessings that flowed from it. Looking back on her journey, Amina realized that her trials had not only strengthened her faith but also taught her valuable life lessons. She learned the importance of relying on Allah, being patient in difficult times, and taking proactive steps towards a brighter future. Amina's story serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, faith can be a guiding light. It instills hope, resilience, and an unwavering trust in Allah's plan. By turning to Him and seeking His guidance, we can navigate the challenges of life with grace and find the strength to overcome obstacles.